Bonjour mes amis, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. Je vais bien aussi. And today's lesson we're going to tackle something about family. We're going to write composition about family. And after explaining much about family, I'm going to give you an exercise of an example of a composition in French, written in French, so that you may look at it. So when you'll be writing your own, you'll have a better way to do so. So at first, the introduction, we are going to check on how many members are you in your family. So in your composition, you must write how many members are you in your family, whichever number. So it's also upon you to know numbers in French. The second one, mention introduce your family members, your parents, siblings, which are your brothers and sisters. And the third one, mention where your family lives. If you live in Kenya, mention a city in Kenya. If you live outside Kenya or any other country, make sure you mention the city of that country that you are living in. After that, under description, we are going to check. Now in description, you'll write them in details. When you start, maybe your father, you must write his personality, age, and profession. Each and every member. So if you have 5 members in your family, you have a mother and a father, brother, sister, and maybe you'll write each and every member, age, profession, and personality. So after writing all those, you may finish, you may summarize or conclude by saying that you love your family. Why do you love your family? Or if not that, you can also say during weekends, what do you do during your free time with your family? So you write everything as a whole. So we have an example of a French composition and a family. So we'll read in French, then translate direct to English. At first, the underlined word there is la famille. La famille. So as we start this composition, it is not that too long. It is 3 paragraphs. As we start there, ma famille est très important. Ma famille est très important pour moi. It means my family is very important for me. My family is very important for me. As we continue, nous sommes 5 membres. Nous sommes 5 membres dans notre famille. Nous sommes 5 membres dans notre famille. It says we are 5 members in our family. We are 5 members in our family. As we go on, c'est mon père, ma mère, ma sœur, mon frère et moi. So, c'est mon père, mère, sœur, and frère et moi means that is my father. So my father in French is mon père, my mother, ma mère, my sister, ma sœur, my brother, mon frère, et moi means now and I. Je reste à Nairobi avec ma famille. Je reste à Nairobi avec ma famille. That one means I stay in Nairobi with my family. I stay in Nairobi with my family. So it's not a must that you use Nairobi. You can use any city in any country. The second paragraph. Now, if you look at the first paragraph, the things that we said in details, all of them are there. I said the number of the people in your family. Nous sommes 5 membres dans notre famille. C'est mon père, ma mère. Then the second one mentioned the members of your family. They have mentioned mon père, ma mère, ma sœur, mon frère, and moi, and me. Then the third one, mention where your family lives. Je reste à Nairobi avec ma famille. That is done. The second paragraph. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Swale. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Swale. That one means my father is called Mr. Swale. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Swale. We go on. Il a 40 ans. Il a 40 ans. Il a 40 ans means my father is 40 years. Now 40 is 40. 40. Il est gentil et aimant. Il est gentil et aimant. It says he is kind and loving. He is kind and loving. Kind is gentil. Then loving is aimant. Kind, gentil, loving is aimant. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Betty. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Betty. My mother is called Madame Betty. She is 35 years. Elle a 35 ans. Elle a 35 ans. So 35 is 30. Then years is a. So it will be elle a 35 ans. Elle est mignonne et aimante. Elle est mignonne et aimante. It means she is cute and loving. She is cute and loving. Mon frère s'appelle Benson. Mon frère s'appelle Benson. Elle a 22 ans. Elle a 22 ans. So my brother is called Benson. He is 22 years. 22 ans. Elle a 22 ans. Il est étudiant à l'université Maseno. Il est étudiant à l'université Maseno. It means he is a student at Maseno University. He is a student at Maseno University. Elle est étudiant à l'université Maseno. Ma sœur s'appelle Ruby. Ma sœur s'appelle Ruby. My sister is called Ruby. Elle a 17 ans. She is 17 years. She is 17 years. Elle a 17 ans. We go on. Elle est étudiante. Elle est étudiante au lycée de l'Alliance. Elle est étudiante au lycée de l'Alliance. Remember, when we were saying about the brother, we said elle est étudiant. So there's a difference between étudiant and étudiante. When I say étudiante, I'm referring to a female gender. And when I say étudiant, I'm referring to a male gender. So, elle est étudiante au lycée de l'Alliance. That one means she's a student at Alliance High School. She's a student at Alliance High School. Now, the last part, conclusion. Pendant le weekend, during weekends. Now, pendant is a vocabulary. Pendant le weekend, je regarde la télévision. Je regarde la télévision et j'écoute de la musique. Et j'écoute de la musique avec ma famille. Pendant le week-end, je regarde la télévision et j'écoute de la musique avec ma famille. It means during weekends, I watch the television and I listen to the music with my family. So that is one as a whole. During weekend, I watch the television and I listen to the music with my family, avec ma famille. Let's read it again. Pendant le week-end, je regarde la télévision et j'écoute de la musique avec ma famille. J'aime ma famille. J'aime ma famille. Now that one means I love my family. And a conclusion, you'll write j'aime ma famille. I love my family. So let's go through it again as we read in French now. I'll be a bit fast. La famille. Ma famille est très importante pour moi. Nous sommes 5 membres dans notre famille. C'est mon père, ma mère, ma sœur, mon frère et moi. Je reste à Nairobi avec ma famille. Mon père s'appelle Monsieur Soale. Il a 40 ans. Il est gentil et aimant. Ma mère s'appelle Madame Betty. Elle a 35 ans. Elle est mignonne et aimante. Mon frère s'appelle Benson. Elle a 22 ans. Il est étudiant à l'université Maseno. Ma sœur s'appelle Ruby. Elle a 17 ans. Elle est étudiante au lycée de l'Alliance. Pendant le week-end, je regarde la télévision et j'écoute de la musique avec ma famille. J'aime ma famille. Thanks a lot for everything. If there's any correction or if you have any problem, kindly give me your comments there. Like, share, and you can also comment again. Thank you so much. Bonne chance.